this, that, these, those English grammar for beginners. Hello everyone. Welcome back to our English lesson. Today, we are going to learn this, that, these, and those. Don't worry. This lesson is very easy. Let's begin. 1. This. We use this for one thing that is near us. Look at this book. This is a book. Look at this pen. This is a pen. Look at this phone. This is my phone. Remember, one thing plus near equals this. 2. That. We use that for one thing that is far from us. Look at that car. That is a car. Look at that tree. That is a tree. Look at that house. That is my house. Remember, one thing plus far equals that. 3. These. We use these for two or more things that are near us. Look at these books. These are books. Look at these apples. These are apples. Look at these flowers. These are flowers. Remember, many things plus near equals these. 4. Those. We use those for two or more things that are far from us. Look at those birds. Those are birds. Look at those cars. Those are cars. Look at those mountains. Those are mountains. Remember, many things plus far equals those. Quick review. Let's review. This one thing plus near. That one thing plus far. These many things plus near. Those many things plus far. Very easy. Practice. Let's practice together. This is my book. That is a bus. These are my shoes. Those are beautiful birds. Excellent. Ending. Now you know how to use this, that, these, and those. Practice every day, and your English will improve. If you enjoyed this lesson, please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell for more English lessons. Thank you for watching. See you in the next lesson. Goodbye.